In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on Vestiaire Collective. Whether you've just purchased a high-end fashion item or snagged a bargain on a vintage piece, leaving a review is an important way to share your experience with others and help them make informed decisions. Let's dive into the straightforward process of guiding your fellow shoppers. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser, such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, simply type Vestiaire Collective and hit enter. You're looking for the website that should come up as the first result, vestiairecollective.com. Go ahead and click on this link to access the site. Once the website has loaded, locate the Sign In option, typically found at the top right of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now it's time to log into your account using the email address and password associated with it. If you've forgotten your password, you can usually find a Forgot Password link to help you reset it and access your account. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to your profile by clicking on your name or the profile icon, depending on the layout. From your profile, navigate to the Orders section. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of your past and present orders. Browse through your list of orders to locate the specific item for which you'd like to leave a review. If you have numerous purchases, you might need to scroll or use any available filtering options to find the right one. Once you've identified the correct item, click on it to proceed to the item page where you can leave your feedback. Now it's time to leave or write your review. Think about the key details you'd like to share, such as the item's condition, whether it matched the description provided, your overall satisfaction with the purchase, and any other relevant comments that might benefit other buyers. Be honest and specific in your remarks. This will make your review more valuable to potential buyers considering a similar purchase. After you've composed and submitted your review, sit back and know that you've contributed to the community by helping others make confident and informed purchasing decisions. Thanks for following along in this tutorial on leaving a review on Vestiaire Collective. We appreciate your feedback and hope you continue to have positive experiences with each of your new finds. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, happy shopping.